Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So it's very early in the morning, around 6:30 something, and I'm leaving to my office, leaving for my office. And after very long time, like after I assume I'm going after 2 months. It's been a while, and today is a very special day for me. And the reason is that today is my last day at Intel. So I couldn't sleep the whole night thinking about it. When I was switching from Capgemini, I never thought that there would be a day when I will be leaving Intel. I never imagined that I will be joining Intel itself in the first place. But now today the day has come that I am my last day over here. So I'm a bit emotional as well. I'll quickly go to office first, then I'll shoot the rest part to have a memory of it. As I was saying, I have reached office first of all. So the very first day when I came here, I was very awestruck that this is such a huge campus. It has places for like playing tennis, then basketball, even cricket nets. I was completely, awestruck that where have I come. And this campus is so big that even it has inter-campus shuttles. Like if you go to these are the grounds over here, you can play basketball or tennis. Such a big campus. I loved it. I will always miss this campus. I don't know whether they make any good campus like this. It's a good campus if you will ever. And the good thing about Intel is that you can always bring your family members over here. All the greenery, you can see that in Bangalore there is already greenery, but you can see, you will feel in the early morning like now, you can smell the feel of leaves, smell of leaves, sorry. You can feel the smell of leaves and all, birds chirping around. It's always it feels very well. And there is one more thing which I wanted to tell, that this was the first campus where I saw that you can come by cycles, skateboards, or even roller skates. But the only criteria is that you should have the proper kit, the helmets and all the guards, because as I said that there are inter-campus buses as well, so just for your safety purpose. It's a very good campus. I'm walking around the whole office. This is a small cafe-like area where we all used to hang around. The name is something Chai Point or something. We all used to come here, and it's a very good vibe. If you can see the old cafe vibes, we'll come around and have some coffee, tea, snacks. I'll miss this. With my teammates, I used to come over here. There are a lot of perks at Intel, first of all. And if you could see this watch as well, the old school, I love this. They spent a lot literally over here. When I came over here first day at my office, and I went for having lunch. I remember that they give free fruits, so I took so many dragon fruits. Then when I went for coffee, they were having so many varieties of packet sachets like Boost, Bonvita, Milo, whatever. Then different types of teas, and I was like mixing everything around and drinking it, having my best of the time. I'll miss this. That's why I'm making a video of it, so I'll remember. Maybe in future I'll come back sometime again here Intel. I'll join back, but for now, as they say, you have to get out of somewhere to reach somewhere, right? Look at this view, guys. Just look at the view. Wonderful. Getting vitamin D. You can see the campus never ends. If you see everywhere from all the directions, you have. The first day when I came over here, I was lost. I didn't know where to go. There are so many roads going over here, and I was literally lost. But now I remember because I have explored everything over here, right from foosballs to cricket nets and everything. I love playing cricket. I used to play cricket with my teammates and all over here. We'll have small matches of 1 over or 2 over. I mean, every now and then we'll go back to work. So guys, I have reached office, and this is where I sit basically. And because this is near to the window, and I always used to look outside of it and seeing everyone from over here. Right now it is a whole empty, but as soon as the day will progress, you will see all the cars will be parked everyone's cars, and this is my favorite area. I sit here. I'll be going for breakfast now. Then I don't have anything to do. I just need to submit my laptop today, and we'll have a farewell call. So that's it. Maybe a few colleagues will come of mine, so I'll meet them and say goodbye to them, and maybe probably meet them later. So that's it. Yeah, that's it. Now I will just write. I have to write, and yeah, just now I remembered that I have to write a farewell mail as well. So that's why I came early today, because I will have some time to write the mail. So I'm thanking everyone, each and every one of them, my teammates. Yeah, so that's what I will do for now, till now. Finally, the time has come for me to submit the laptop. I'm going to submit it. Guys, लैपटॉप आईडी सब सबमिट कर दी है, निकल गया हूँ टाटा बाय बाय करके ऑफिस से। थोड़ा दिल अच्छा, मतलब नई जर्नी के लिए एक्साइटेड भी हूँ, बट वो भी लग रहा है कि सबको ऐसी अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती। अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी थी, बट कोई बात नहीं, कोई दुख नहीं है, नो रिग्रेट्स। आगे बढ़ते रहेंगे, है ना। जैसा कि मैंने कहा, कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना ज़रूरी है, यही दिलासा दे रहा हूँ अपने आपको। तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय गाइस, इसको इतना ही रखते हैं आज के लिए। यार वीडियो को कुछ अब नया बनाएंगे, आपको दिखाते रहेंगे।